Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on VAT in QuickBooks Online. Setting up VAT correctly is essential for small business owners and bookkeepers to keep financial records accurate and stay compliant. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Taxes tab. This is the central hub for managing all tax settings, including VAT. Next, go to the Add/Edit Tax Rates and Agencies section. Here you can customize your tax settings to match your business and local requirements. To add a new tax, click the New button. This lets you enter your VAT details tailored to your operations. Give your tax a clear, recognizable name. This will help you and your team identify it easily in your records. Enter the tax agency name accurately, as this is the authority responsible for VAT collection and reporting. Then input the correct VAT rate percentage according to your regional tax laws. This ensures your calculations are accurate and compliant. Finally, save your VAT settings. This activates VAT functionality in your QuickBooks Online account. And that's it. VAT is now turned on and ready for use. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.